2019 GMC Arcadia. Just spliced these aluminum lines together. These were the coolant lines that were damaged. There's some rear end damage here. The wheel was damaged. These are the parts that I cut out. And these were long continuous lines that had a split in the middle, and then the second half had to be joined together like that and go up there. But instead of that, we only replaced what was needed. And what was needed was only these two coolant lines, not the refrigerant lines. So I only did the coolant lines only, and have to do the coolant because it had a front end accident at the same time. This thing was an accordion, and the condenser got changed. It's ready to charge. Let's zero out the scale. This is 1,000 grams of YF refrigerant, so that's like 2.2 pounds. So we got like $440 or so of refrigerant only. So here we are in the liquid, 1,000 grams. Let's see how fast, because this is dual AC. Let's see how fast 1,000 grams go. So let's shut off the vacuum. We have the liquid side open all the way. Let's start counting. Let's see, let's get it close. 1, 2, 3, go. And we're going in. So how long does 1,000 grams, which is 2.2 pounds, you measure it up on the clock, on the ticker, when every second going by, how long does 1,000 grams take to put into a vehicle? 8, I'm starting to shut it down right now. And right there, that's it. So, and 990 is good enough. So, check the clock out, see how many seconds 1,000 grams takes it to go in, and that's all it takes. And I had the coolant on 20 psi pressure test, and I used the micro leak detector back at my connectors at the rear. And don't forget to use your nylog on your fittings, on your O-rings, to protect your O-rings on your couplings, and to make sure you have a vacuum free leak. All right guys, see ya.